Hello? Come on now, gotta move on. Everyone here? Good. Welcome to Car and Magical Creatures. Great lesson coming up. Got a real treat for you today. We'll be meeting a blast in this route. Don't tell anyone I've been a few rules, but you're all up for it. They can't sting, so just keep back when you get there. Stay on the bike.
Right, off you go.
No need for that. Well, I think that's enough for today. Should probably head back. Pick this up later. Pixie! This way.
Unknown to many creatures here, the forest is not safe at this time, especially for you. You must leave. This is where I leave you. You're safe now.
There you are.
Sorry about that.
Glad to see you guys again. This ain't no trouble, I hope.